Some students are not writing their ID. They are not allowed into the class. So uh, must write their ID. Okay. So we are starting our lesson, the complex number. Okay. Complex numbers. Complex numbers are the combination of real and imaginary number. Complex numbers are the combination of real and imaginary numbers. So just like that, and complex numbers is denoted by Z. Z is a complex number. This is A plus iota B or X plus iota Y. X plus iota Y. This is a complex number. X without iota. The number without iota is the real part. That is the real part of the complex number. So X is the real part. And the number associated with iota, the number associated with iota, that is the imaginary part. Imaginary part is Y, not iota Y. This I stands for iota. I stands for iota. And iota means under root minus 1. So any number associated with under root minus 1 will be the imaginary number. So this is not the part. Imaginary part is only Y. Iota is the indicator that is showing which one is the imaginary part. So the number associated with iota, that will be the imaginary part. So Y is the imaginary part, not the iota Y. Remember, iota Y is not the imaginary part, only Y is the imaginary part. Iota is showing, so which one is the imaginary part? that is the indicator only. That is the indicator which is just pointing. This is the imaginary part, this is the imaginary part, this is the imaginary part. It may be the first written, it may be written in this way. Z is equal to iota b plus a. So the imaginary part will be b. It may be written first, it may be written later. This is the first. In the beginning, imaginary part is written and the real part is written later, after that. And here the real part first, then the imaginary part. It is 1. 1, 0, 2. Okay. So here real part is A, imaginary part is B. So the number associated with B iota, that will be the imaginary part, not including iota. Iota is only the indicator. Iota is only the indicator. This is not the part of the imaginary part. So the number associated with iota, that will be the imaginary part. And the number without iota, that is the real part. The number without iota, this is the real part, and the number associated with iota, that will be the imaginary part. So when you are asked to write the imaginary part, so we'll write only the number which is associated with iota. So y is associated with the iota. So only y is the real imaginary part. Here b is associated with iota. Therefore b is only the imaginary part. Here y is the imaginary part. Here b is the imaginary part only. So don't write iota y is the imaginary part. When you are asked to find the imaginary part, so don't write iota y or iota b. Don't write iota with the imaginary part. Only b is the imaginary part, only y is the imaginary part here, and only b is the imaginary part over there. Okay. So this is the imaginary part and this is the real part. So understood what is the complex number that you have already done in algebra and trigonometry course. I am just doing the revision of the complex number. Now addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of the complex number. Addition and subtraction. Of complex numbers. If we have two complex numbers at one, 3 plus 4 iota, Z2 is minus 5 plus 7 iota. These are the two complex numbers. 3 plus 4 iota and Z2 is minus 5 plus 7 iota. And we are asked to find A plus B, Z1 plus Z2. That means find the sum of these two complex numbers, Z1 plus Z2. So we'll add these two numbers. We will write equal to, write Z1, 3 plus 4 iota in one bracket, then the plus sign, Z2 minus 5 plus 7 iota in the other bracket. Next step, open the brackets. 3 plus 4 iota plus minus minus 5 plus 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 7 iota. Real part will be added with the real part. Imaginary part will be added with the imaginary part. So this is the real part, 3 minus 5. And this is the imaginary part, 4 iota plus 7 iota. It will become minus 2 plus 11 iota. Minus 2 plus 11 iota. This is the addition. So real part will be added with the real part. 3 minus 5 will be minus 2. Imaginary part will be added with the imaginary part. 4 iota plus 7 iota will be 11 iota. So minus 2 plus 11 iota is the answer of Z1 plus Z2. Next, Z1 minus Z2. Again, we will do the same thing. We will write the complex numbers in brackets. Again, we will write in the bracket Z1 3 plus 4 iota minus Z2 minus 5 plus 7 iota. Open the brackets. 3 plus 4 iota minus, when there is minus sign, all the sign inside will be changed. When there is negative sign before the bracket, when we open the bracket, all the sign will be changed. So minus 5 will become plus 5, plus 7 will become minus 7. Whatever be the sign inside, that will be changed if there is negative sign before the bracket. Now real part will be added with the real part, 3 plus 5. Imaginary part will with the imaginary part, plus 4 iota minus 7 iota. The answer will be 8 minus 3 iota. The answer will be 8 minus 3 iota. So in this way, we will do addition and subtraction of the complex number. Now multiplication of the complex number. We will take the same two numbers, Z1 and Z2, these two complex number. We are doing the multiplication. We are doing the multiplication. Usman Ahmad. Usama Nazir. Okay, now we will do the multiplication. Z1 into Z2. Z1, Z2. That means the multiplication of Z1 and Z2. Again, we will write in the bracket 3 plus 4 iota into minus 5 plus 7 iota. 3 plus 4 iota into minus 5 plus 7 iota. We will do the ordinary multiplication just like we are doing in the simple algebra. How to open the two brackets when they are multiplying. So 3 is multiplied with this whole bracket, and then plus 4 iota will multiply with the whole brackets. We'll do 3 into minus 5 plus 7 iota plus 4 iota into minus 5 plus 7 iota. So first I multiplied 3 with the second bracket, then I multiplied 4 iota with the second bracket. So 3 into minus 5 will be minus 15. 3 into 7 iota will be 21 iota. Plus minus minus 4 iota into 5 will be 20 iota. 4 iota plus 7 into 7 iota will be 28 iota square. It will be 28 iota square. So you know iota square, iota is under root minus 1, so iota square will become minus 1. So iota is equal to under root minus 1. So iota square will become under root minus 1 square. Iota square will become under root minus 1 square. Under root and square are cancelled each other. The answer is minus 1. So iota square is equal to minus 1. We'll change iota square with minus 1 over there. It will become minus 15 plus 2 iota minus 20 iota plus 28 into minus 1. Iota square is changed by minus 1. So it will become minus 15 and plus minus 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 28. So minus 15 and minus 28 plus 2 iota minus 20 iota. These two are the real. So minus 15 minus 28 will be minus 33. No, minus 43. Minus 43. And plus 2 iota minus 20 iota will be minus 18 iota. So the answer is minus 43 minus 18 iota.
सर ये 2 कैसे आया?
कौन सा 2 बेटा? ये
फिर ये 15 के बाद यहाँ तो 21 है ना?
21,
37
हाँ,
का
21 है। ठीक है बेटा, बिल्कुल सही कह रहे हो, 21 है ये। तो ये हो गया 21 आयोटा माइनस 20 आयोटा विल बी आयोटा प्लस आयोटा ओनली। बिल्कुल दुरुस्त कहा आपने, प्लस आयोटा, बिल्कुल सही है।
क्रम काटने का।
सो 21 आयोटा है ये। सो 21 आयोटा माइनस 20 आयोटा will be equal to iota only, plus iota. So minus 43 plus iota. It is showing that you are vigilant. The students are vigilant. Okay. So this is the multiplication of the